Okay, so now we're going to do something a little bit tricky. I'm going to cover that one up. It's called composing a function inside another function. So here's our h function. So h of x is, and then I'm going to write it like this. So instead of writing x squared, I'm going to write parentheses squared subtract 4 times parentheses. So notice what this is now. This right here, instead of saying x squared minus 4x, it's parentheses squared subtract 4 times parentheses. Well, in that parentheses will go the g function. That's what it means when you compose a function inside another function. Okay, so the g function is 3x subtract 2, 3x subtract 2. So, and then we're going to use this notation, h of g of x. When you simplify this, remember you square this thing, which is 9x squared. Then it's 2 times this times this. So 3x times negative 2 is negative 6x. Double that is negative 12x. And then then you square this thing. So negative 2 squared is plus 4. And now you're going to do the distributive. Negative 4 times 3x is negative 12x. And negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. And then you, whoops, I'm going to make it look like the word hog instead of h of g. So h of g of x, there are no other x squared, so we can just bring that down. Negative 12x plus negative 12x is negative 24x, and then 4 plus 8 is positive 12. So when we compose this new function by plugging g inside this h function, this is the new function that we get. All right, so now we're going to do one more, but we're going to use the different notation. So look at this notation. The g is visually inside the f function. So we're going to take this g function and stick it right inside there, the f function. So f of g of t. So there's the f function. So instead of putting 4t, 4 parentheses, subtract 5, and inside the parentheses goes this g function, which is t squared plus 5t. So then when we rewrite it and simplify it, f of g of t, 4 times t squared is 4t squared. 4 times 5t is plus 20t. And then we're going to bring down that subtract 5. So that is composing a function inside another function, and that's it.